In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make something move in Replit HTML. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along, even if this is your first time working with HTML, CSS, and a tiny bit of JavaScript. First, open your browser and go to the Replit homepage. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your workspace. From there, look for the Apps section. This is where your projects live. Click on Apps to open your list of projects, then choose the project you want to work on. That will take you into the editor where all your files are displayed on the left and the code area is in the center. Inside your project, locate and open the file named index.html. This is the main HTML file that loads when your project runs. If you see existing content, that's fine. You can add to it. If it's mostly empty, that's perfect for this quick demo. Now let's make something move with JavaScript. First, we need something to animate. Inside the body of your HTML, add a simple element you can see on the screen like a box. For example, type a line that creates a div with an ID of box. To make it visible and movable, add a style section in your HTML that sets its size, color, and position. A basic set of rules would be width 50 pixels, height 50 pixels, a background color like red, position absolute, left 0, and top 60 pixels. Absolute positioning lets us update its left value with JavaScript to create motion. Next, add a script tag at the bottom of the body so the code runs after the page loads. Inside the script, get a reference to the box by using document.getElementById with the ID you gave it. Create a variable called x and set it to 0. Then define a function named tick that increases x by a small amount, like 2, sets box.style left to x plus px. And when x gets larger than the window width, minus the box size resets x back to 0 so it loops. At the end of tick, call request animation frame with tick again. Finally, start the loop by calling request animation frame with tick once. When you press run in Replit, a preview will open and you should see the box glide across the screen and wrap back to the start. If it doesn't move, open the console in the preview and check for typos in the ID, the style property names, or the request animation frame call. You can speed it up by increasing the amount you add to SX, or move it vertically by adjusting top instead of left. That's it. You've opened your project, edited index.html, and used a few lines of JavaScript to make an element move in Replit HTML.